Judy Rugasira mukama wa Night Frank Uganda tushoboreho ko ikigendererwa cyabo no kureba ngo haba hentasi yongire mu ndembo ekiraziretero kutunguka.
Along with our partners and our sponsors, to start these conference series in different cities, to see how we can start visioning for the development of these cities, to see how we can start planning on how to increase this economic investment and development.
Dr. Nelson Tugume wa Inspire Africa Coffee agizire ngu omurimo gwo kutebekanisa endembezi gushemeye kuba nugurekerwa abakugwa babishomere ekyo babasa kutenda embezi omu buteeka.
Site zitu zitayiro mwezi takuba planned very well. Echinaba ndiyo ningamba wirizoba no kugira ngu design process, thought process einokuba very clear turekeba professionals ninga abantu abaru kubimanya bakwatanise bete politicians bete leaders bitu ekintu cyona tugire consensus emwe.
Joseph Enyumu, Commissioner wa Economic Development Policy and Research of Ministry of Finance yagizire ngu amani gashemeye kuba nigatekwa ha bintu ebirukureta entasi y'amani omu kicweka nkamate habwambarara site.
The dairy industry, as an example, contributes approximately 84% of total livestock export value. And last year, rather in 2024, we earned about $285 million from dairy exports.
Joel Masco, Commercial Manager habwa Housing Finance Bank, asimira omushomo ogu ahabwo kureta omurimbarara ekyagizire ngu niguza kuhweraho mu kutunguka kwambarara nk'orurembo.
So itwenka Housing Finance ntureba ngo opportunity yo kufinancing omurimbarara kandi hariho n'ebindi bintu ebizire mbebaho nko kugiha city status turebere baranga ngo bakutaho airport ahanyakishara, so ebyo byona nibitwereka ngu mbarara ine potential. So nitwenka Housing Finance Bank so tukureba ntwebembeza mbarara tuje twije supporting abantu turo kutwa financing different development sectors.
Omombe bembezi b'orurembo rwa Mbarara Boneta Shobya kandi ori speaker wa Mbarara City agizire ngu emishome gyeshemeye kuba netayisibwa burijo habwo kuba abantu batunga sente kuruga mu za banka batari kumanya cyo kuzikozesa na munongo mu ndembo.
Ba bankazi umuntu nakwetwasha ngo n'umwoga gwa banka kushomesa oze sente zibaza kuhereza ukora zikozesa amwe bahereza sente takushomise abo kujana ndi murimo n'icyo gukora oya sente nchakare zukoma kushanga umuntu no basa kwita.
Omushomo ogu gubire gwemerera hamutwe guru kugira ngo ukombeke bibuga ebirukaya no muntunguka hamwe no kuretaho buringaniza omuntunguka. Gasha kwa Ian Kankwasi.